All right, this is fresh out the box. Stop, look and watch. Ready yet? Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another video for you all, and in this video I'm going to be opening some wigs that I have. So I haven't even opened them, haven't touched them, so it's gonna be a whole new experience for you all. So I've had these for a while, I just haven't worn them, and I've been looking at them for a while, so I figure let me come up here, we'll try them on together, look good together, okay? Well, I don't know how you looking, you might still have your head wrap on, but yeah. But before we get into that, just take one quick second, if you haven't already, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and once you do that, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Alright, so my hair is already cornrowed down. I did it myself, yes. I put my wig cap on just to protect my hair. Alright, so both of these wigs are from Outre, from their big beautiful hair collection. They're both lace front, and they both are High-Tex heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. Okay, so here's one. This is in 3C Whirly, and it's the color 1B. So these wigs were created to mimic, you know, natural texture hair, African American hair. So this is 3C, and then we have 4A, which is kinky, and it is in S430. So I got two curl patterns that are not similar to mine, but that will mimic natural hair texture. So we'll start with the 3C one, since that one is the furthest away from my texture. And both of these came from Sam's Beauty. All right, and then you have the care card on how to refresh your hair and stuff like that, because these are synthetic lace front wigs, but if you take care of them, they can last. So this is how the wig comes. Sorry. Crap, get off of me. This is how the wig comes, and you see it kind of has a loose spiral curl. It's pretty long, it's probably about 18 inches. And here's the construction. We have two combs at the front, and you have a comb at the back, and you have the adjustable straps. I'm gonna put it tighter because my head is kind of small. This wig smells good. It doesn't have like that like factory smell or like a chemical smell. All right, so I just had to tighten the straps, and there's the lace up here. I'm not gonna lay this like it's lace, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on before I cut the lace off. Oh, okay, I can see something's happening with this. It looks like a jerry curl. So this is the wig, fresh out the box. I just put it on my head. I haven't even put the combs in, but the way I tightened it, I don't think I'll need to put the combs in. All right, let me go ahead and cut the lace off. I was just interested in seeing what it looks like. So I'm taking some hair cutting scissors, and I'm just gonna cut it close to the hairline. Again, this is a synthetic wig, so I usually don't stress about how I cut the lace, because I'm not gonna like lay this down and melt the lace, but just going as close to the hairline as possible without cutting into the hairline. All right, so I've cut the lace off. So how I like to put my wigs on is I put the back on, put the comb in there, slip the combs in the front, and I slide the cap back a little bit. So as y'all saw before, it was hanging out. Oh my god, this like has potential, like multiple ways. I'm leaving my edges out just a little bit, you know, just in case the wind blows. It could be bangs, but I feel like it's kind of wanting to go this way. So I'm just gonna take my hands and rub my hands through to kind of loosen up some of these curls and to fluff it out. And, you know, it's synthetic, so there's going to be shedding. So it's just kind of separating some of the curls. You can also take a brush to do this, and I've done that with a wig before, but I did not like how much the brush brushed it out. So I'm just getting rid of the hair that's in there. Oh my god, this is so cute. I didn't think I would want to wear this one because it's dark and it's still summertime, but it's like a different curl for me. Oh, okay, Kia, girl. I'm looking at my monitor, y'all. I've been looking for some curly hair like this. I think that's good because I feel like it's the longer you wear synthetic wigs, they get a little fluffier sometimes. Okay, so that's this one. This is a 3C Whirly, and this is the color 1B. So, I don't know which one I'm gonna wear today. Okay. Yeah, so I feel like you can really play with this. I think you could also do like bangs or just wear it forward. Oh, that's a cute moment. It kind of reminds me of Rick James. But if you want to cut it to frame your face, you could do bangs. So that's this moment here, y'all. This is cute. Maybe I would cut some length to kind of frame my head shape, but I think I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Okay, because it's not terrible. Of course, you know, it's synthetic straight out the box. So straight out the box, the curls are a little tight, but I would definitely just go through and fluff them with your hands, and then, you know, you have a moment. You can also cut this into a cute little wedge, you know? But I'm liking the length. Maybe just cut it to my shoulders a little bit, maybe. Because it kind of seems like a little dog-eared. Oh, but that's cute there too. Okay. All right, next wig. So this is for a kinky. So it has the same construction as the previous wig. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. We have the adjustable straps here, and we have the lace on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. All right, so this curl is more like a springy spiral curl. All right, let's put this baby on. Wow, so we're definitely gonna need to separate some of these curls. So I'm just running my hands along, and not even running my fingers through. I'm really just grabbing hair and running my hands along the curls. I don't want to separate them that much. And see, I caused a tangle. Let's just cut that off. Okay, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it now. There we go. It's got some body. Some body. Oh, this is a moment. This is cute. Do y'all see her? Okay. This is cute. I feel like I could do this with my hair if I had like a small perm rod. It's like a small perm rod set. And I can just wear it like with some bangs to the front. Just position it like that. Look at a little lioness. All right, so we got some bangs to the front moment. Sorry, thinking about wearing one of these for my bridal shower. Okay. All right, but here is the 4A kinky. All right, so that is it for today's video, a wig review try on. Y'all got to see my first impression, first reaction, fresh out the box. I will say both of these wigs are very soft. I feel like both of them were very easy to manipulate. They're light, of course, they're not heavy. It has the adjustable strap. So the first one I adjusted the straps tighter, and on this one I just kept it where it was, and it fits just fine. And again, if you need some extra security, if you're gonna be, you know, headbanging, you have the 3 combs in there, so I feel like they're very secure, not worried about them, and they are a good price. I think they were a range from like, I think they were in the price range from $18 to $25. Like I said, I got these from Sam's Beauty, but I'll put the links to these wigs in the description box so you all can check them out. I think there's other curl patterns, I'm not sure, let me see. Okay, so the other style is the 4C Coily. So I just have 2 out of the 3, and like I said, I wanted something different for my texture. So you can find these on Sam's Beauty. They are everywhere. I just did a little Google search. Yeah, so they're in the price range from $19. I think one was more expensive than the other, but yeah, they're in the price range from $19 to $25, which is a good wig. And I want to say this is one of the best like curly wigs and looks like an actual natural hair texture, because I have the Sensational Nari wig, which I love that wig, but it's more like wavy, definitely looser, but this is actually some type of curl and coil to it, as you can see. Like I said, I'm feeling this. So I don't know which one I'm gonna wear today, but I will be wearing one of these wigs for a while, hunty. Okay. Yeah, and I'm not gonna cut it or anything. You know, first day, I'm just gonna wear it and see how I feel. I'm sorry, I can't keep my hands out of it. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear it and see how I feel, and you know, as time goes on, I may modify it. But I think straight out the box with a little finger combing, you're good to go. You don't need to do anything else. All right, beauties, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.